Imagine waking up each day with a clear vision, knowing that each strategy you implement is powered by the latest in AI technology. With this course, you're not just keeping up but getting ahead, using actionable insights and automated tools to refine and elevate your social media management. This training is not about abstract theory, it's about practical, hands-on learning that transforms routine tasks into dynamic, automated processes, leaving you more time for creativity and strategic thinking. As you navigate the ever-changing landscape of social media, staying current is essential. The course provides you with fresh, regularly updated content that mirrors the pace of the industry. You'll learn to harness advanced AI analytics for more precise content strategies, automate scheduling and audience engagement, and create compelling posts that resonate with your target audience. By mastering these tools, you not only boost your productivity, but also become indispensable, delivering results that lead to higher-level roles and better freelance opportunities. Beyond the skills, most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Each module is designed to empower you with the knowledge and confidence to transform your role in today's competitive market. Discover all the training courses for social media managers at completeaitraining.com and take control of your future in digital marketing with a course that is as practical as it is transformative.